All right. So that's what we send out in the mail. What does it cost us to send this? It cost us $4.15 per envelope, And so we asked what was a listing worth? And you guys told me a listing was worth $10,000. So something's worth $10,000. Only question is, how many times could I spend $4.15 to get it, right? You guys with me? Y'all with me? Y'all with me? Y'all with me? All right. So this is how we get mail open right here. This is how you get people to open mail. If you got a certified letter at your home, you would open it. We send certified letters with no return receipts. We don't want return receipts because the person will never sign it. It'll sit at the post office. So we don't send return receipts, right? We just send certified letters. That green thing gets people to open up their mail. I want to give you guys a cheat code. Who wants a cheat code? Say $4.15 a letter. Okay, here's a cheat code. I went to Amazon. What I do is I go to Amazon and I buy a stamp that says certified. It costs me $10 and it's in green. And I don't pay $4.15. I just pay 63 cents. And it's put on certified. It doesn't say certified mail, it just says certified. That's a cheat code, right? Save you. So total is not $4.15 anymore. My total because I send my letters out to get printed and they get delivered to my house. It costs me about 88 cents a letter to send out. Okay, that's a cheat code, certified. It works pretty much just as well as a certified mail. So it just says certified, green ink, it's stamped right where you see certified at, and people open them, and I'm getting about a 41% response rate. Okay, all right, so that's a good cheat code. All right, thanks, AT. You just saved me $4.15, 100 letters. That's $415 a month. You just saved me down to 40.
Hold on. Can I get the link for that?
Link for what?
For the stamp? Because I just pulled up on Amazon and I see a whole bunch of certified ones, but not any that just say certified.
Yeah, well, you got to search on Amazon. Yeah, I don't have a link on my right now, but it's available. I can send it to you. Absolutely.
Thank you.
You're welcome.